Hello, all my dear students. I welcome you all in your maths online class. Dear students, as I taught you yesterday about BODMAS rule, I told you that today I will not teach you anything new and I will take one more session with the same topic. So today again I am teaching you all about simplification sum using BODMAS rule. And please pay proper attention as I am solving now one by one all the sums which I have given you yesterday in your assignment. So these were the 4 sums which I have given you yesterday. So firstly I will be solving these 4 sums and after that I will be solving these 2 more sums so that you can understand this BODMAS topic easily. So pay attention. Now I will be solving in front of you only one by one. So this is the very first question which I have given you yesterday in your assignment. See, we will start solving it. So first of all, put this sign and now as you can see that here big bracket is there, small brackets are there, curly bracket is not there. So first of all we will solve our small bracket. So this is small bracket and this is small bracket we will solve firstly. So I will write this 14 as it is. After 14 you can see no sign is there. So whenever there is no sign between a number and the bracket, then it is understood that it will be multiplication sign there. So here multiplication sign I have put. Now I have opened the big bracket. Now I am writing this 24 as it is, division sign as it is. Now I am solving this small bracket. So 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. So I have solved this small bracket, so I will remove it. So I will not put the bracket, and removing the bracket I will only write number 6. Now this plus 3 as it is. Again you can see that there is no sign between this number and the bracket. So what we will do, as I told you, we will put multiplication sign here. Okay, whenever there is no sign between the number and the bracket, then you have to put multiplication sign. Now 7 minus 4, again it is in small bracket, so just subtract it. So 7 minus 4 will give you 3. Now close the big bracket, that is your square bracket. Again in next step we will write firstly this number 14, after that multiplication sign, then I will open this big bracket. Okay, now in this big bracket you can see that division sign is there, addition sign is there and multiplication sign is there. And according to our BODMAS rule, what comes firstly? Firstly comes division, then comes multiplication and lastly come addition. So first of all we will divide these two numbers according to the rule of BODMAS. So divide 24 by 6. So in the table of 6, 24 comes 4 times. So when you will divide it, you will get the answer as 4. Okay. So we will write 4. In spite of this 24 divided by 6, we will divide it and write it 4. If you don't know direct division, then you can divide 24 by 6. So 6 4s are 24. So this 4 will come here. Then put plus sign as it is, and after this we will do this multiplication according to BODMAS rule. Firstly multiplication. So multiply this 3 into 3, you will get 9 here. Then close this square bracket, big bracket. Again in next step 14 multiply by, now we have to solve this big bracket. So add this 4 and 9 finally. So 4 plus 9 will give you 13. Okay. Now multiply this 14 and 13. So when you will multiply this 14 and 13, see 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, multiplication sign here, 1 into 4 4 and 1 into 1 1. So add it 2 8 1. So what we got? 182. So this 182 is our answer. I hope now it is clear to you. So this is the first question which I have given you yesterday in your assignment. Now let's move on to the second question. Now here you can see we are having big bracket, curly bracket, line bracket, but no small bracket. So firstly we will start with line bracket. First of all we will solve our line bracket. So see, I am opening the big bracket firstly, then 7 into curly bracket I am opening, then 17 minus, first of all I am solving this line bracket. So 12 minus 8, I have to subtract 8 from 12. 12 minus 8 is equals to 4. So instead of this 12 minus 8, I have written in next step 4 because I have solved this line bracket. Now this minus 6 will come as it is. Then close the curly bracket, division sign, 7 as it is, and close the big bracket. Now in next step, open the big bracket, 7 as it is, multiply. Now we will solve this curly bracket. Okay. So first of all, in curly bracket, we are having two numbers with minus sign. Okay. So either you can plus these two numbers and then solve, or you can firstly subtract this 4 from 17 and then whatever answer you will get, you will subtract that 6 from it. But here what I am doing, just see 17. This minus and this minus. So according to integers, minus minus becomes plus and the sign remains minus. See, this integer topic will come later on. So I am not explaining you with this topic because you will get confused with it. So I am telling you directly. Firstly subtract 4 from 17. So when you will subtract 4 from 17, what you will get? Yes, you will get here 13. So first of all, write down 13 here. Then this minus 6. Close the curly bracket, divide 7. Okay, like this. So 13 minus 6 divided by 7. Then in next step again, open the curly bracket, 7 multiply by. Now we will solve this curly bracket. How we will solve? 13 minus 6. So 13 minus 6 is equals to 7. So I have written here 7. Now curly bracket is removed. Put this division sign and then this 7, big bracket off. Okay. Now in next step we have to solve this big bracket. Now in big bracket you can see that here it is multiplication and here it is division. And according to BODMAS, what comes firstly? Firstly come division and then comes multiplication. So firstly we have to divide these two numbers and then multiply. See students, you have to follow this rule. If you will multiply it firstly and then you will divide, then your answer will come different. You have to follow the BODMAS rule. So firstly we will be doing division. So open the bracket, write this 7 as it is, multiply sign as it is, and 7 divided by 7 means 1. Whenever we divide the same number, we get answer as 1. Now finally 7 into 1 is equals to 7. Okay. Here if you are multiplying it also firstly, by chance you will be getting the same answer only. How? If you will multiply it firstly in this step, 7 into 7 divided by 7. So 7 sevens are 49 divided by 7. Now in the table of 7, how many times 49 comes? It comes 7 times only. So you will get 7 only answer. So in this case, if you are multiplying it firstly, then also you are getting the same answer. But this will not happen all the time. So I just suggest you to follow the rule of BODMAS and work according to that rule only. You don't do multiplication firstly, you do division only first and then come on to the multiplication. Clear students? So this was your second question. Now your third question. This is your third question. See, in this you are having your square bracket, curly bracket and small bracket. All you are having. So first of all we will start with our small bracket. Now here first of all 3 into then 24 plus 4 plus, I am writing as it is. This I have written as it is. Then I am opening the curly bracket, writing 8 here, minus. First of all, I am removing your small bracket. So when you will divide 25 by 5, what you will get? Yes, in the table of 5, 25 comes how many times? It comes 5 times. So we will write here 5. Then small bracket is removed. So directly I have closed the curly bracket and then close your square bracket. Now in next step, write down 3 firstly, multiply by. Here you can add these number now. 24 plus 4 is equals to 28. So we can directly write here 28 plus. Now solve this curly bracket. So 8 minus 5, what you will get here? 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. So here you will get your 3. Curly bracket is also removed. Now only square bracket is remaining and it is with addition. So add it. 28 plus 3 is equals to 31. Now multiply this 31 with 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So 93 is your answer of part number 3. I hope it is clear. See students, if you find problem in any part, you can watch the video again to clear your doubt. Now this is your fourth part. Now in this fourth part, you can see that there is square bracket, curly bracket and small bracket. All the 3 brackets are there. So first of all, we have to solve our small bracket and just remember, as I am telling you again and again so that you will remember it, we have to move according to BODMAS. In small bracket you can see it is having subtraction and multiplication. See, subtraction and multiplication, these 2 signs are there. So firstly what we will do? Yes, firstly we will do multiplication and then we will do subtraction. So see, I am starting with first step. Firstly I am putting arrow, then 55 as it is, minus sign as it is, big bracket as it is, 21 as it is, minus curly bracket as it is, 3 as it is, multiply 4 as it is, plus. Now I am inside my small bracket. So firstly I will multiply these 2 numbers. I will not subtract firstly. Remember this. Please don't subtract firstly. Firstly do multiplication. So 12 as it is, minus. Multiply 2 and 4. So you will get 8. Close your small bracket. Close your curly bracket. Close your square bracket. Now next step, 55 minus, open your square bracket, 21 minus, open your curly bracket, 3 into 4 plus. Now here we will remove our small bracket. So 12 minus 8. What is 12 minus 8? Yes, it is 4. So we will write here 4 and we will remove our small bracket. Close your curly bracket and close your square bracket. Now in next step we will be solving our curly bracket, and in curly bracket please pay attention student, there are 2 signs, one is multiplication and another one is addition. So firstly comes the multiplication and then comes the addition. So firstly we will multiply and then we will add it. See how? Firstly write down 55 minus, open the square bracket, write down 21 minus. So in our curly bracket, firstly we will multiply it. 3 4s are, yes, 3 4s are 12 plus 4. Close your curly bracket, close your square bracket. Now finally we will solve our curly bracket by adding these 2 numbers in next step. So firstly 55 as it is, minus, open your square bracket, 21 minus. Solve this curly bracket. So 12 plus 4 is equals to 16. So we will write 16 here and then close your square bracket. Now finally we will solve our square bracket. So 21 minus 16 is equals to, yes, it is equals to 5. So we will write 5 here. I have removed the square bracket and directly I have written here 5. Finally subtract 5 from 55. So 55 minus 5 is equals to 50. Now those students who have got all these 4 answers Correct? Very good, students. And if your parents have helped you to make you understand this, I want to give thanks to them also, because right now I am not with you practically to give you explanation on the same day. So I am very grateful to your parents that they are helping you out. Thank you, parents. And to students, if you have done it yourself, then wonderful, wonderful, students. Now, these were the 4 questions of yesterday's assignment which I have explained you till now. Now I am giving you 2 more new questions regarding this BODMAS so that you can understand this topic very well. Now see, this new question is 24 divided by, firstly the square bracket, then 5 plus curly bracket, then small bracket, 28 minus 5 into 3, small bracket close, minus 24 divided by 2, curly bracket close, and then square bracket close. So firstly, as you all know, we will start with the small bracket. So see, student, 24 I am writing, first number, divided by, I have opened the square bracket, 5 plus, I am opening the curly bracket, and then in this small bracket, you can see that there is, what is there? Yes, there is subtraction and multiplication. 2 things are there, subtraction and multiplication. So what we will do first? We will do multiplication firstly. So I am multiplying 5 and 3. I am making the small bracket, then 28 as it is, minus 5 into 3, yes, it is 15, minus 24 divided by 2, curly bracket off, square bracket off. Now in next step, 24 as it is, divided by 5 plus. Now I will remove this small bracket. Yes, I will subtract 15 from 28. So when you will subtract 15 from 28, what you will get, student? Yes, you will get 13. 13, then minus 24 divided by 2, curly bracket off, and our square bracket off. Now small bracket is solved, so now we will be solving our curly bracket. Okay, and student, you can see that again in curly bracket there is one subtraction and division, subtraction and division. So firstly we have to do division. See in next step, 24 divided by, square bracket open, 5 plus, curly bracket open. Firstly I am dividing these 2 numbers. Okay, so 13 as it is, minus. So when you will divide 24 by 2, so in the table of 2, 24 comes how many times? Yes, it comes 12 times. So curly bracket off and then square bracket off. Now in next step we will remove our curly bracket. So 13 minus 12 is equals to, yes, it is equals to 1. Curly bracket is removed. Now close your square bracket. Now 24 divided by 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Okay. Now finally we have removed our square bracket also. Now divide it. 24 divided by 6. So student, in the table of 6, 24 comes how many times? Yes, it comes 4 times. So 4 is the answer of this particular question. I hope, student, now it must be clear to you. Please, I request you to solve these questions again and again if you want to learn it properly. Okay, students, you are having sufficient time right now, so please solve it again and again. Then you will find this topic interesting. Now, one more question I want to explain you regarding this topic only. This is 35 off. Yesterday we have not done any question with this off sign. Okay, from BODMAS, I told you yesterday that bracket, this O means off and off means multiplication, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So now one question with this off. So first of all 35, and we have to solve bracket only firstly. So first of all I will write this off as it is. I will not change this off here. Now square bracket open, 60 as it is, minus curly bracket open 7 into 7 as it is plus, first of all I am solving this small bracket, and in small bracket also firstly I will be solving this off. In place of off I will write multiplication. So see, I have opened the small bracket, 12 minus 2, then in place of off I am putting multiplication sign, and then 3, small bracket close, curly bracket close, and big bracket close, square bracket close. Now in next step, first of all again I am writing 35, then off, opening the square bracket, 60 as it is, minus as it is, curly bracket as it is, 7 into 7 as it is. Okay. Now I am again opening the small bracket. Now firstly I am multiplying it, because according to BODMAS rule this is subtraction and this is multiplication. So multiplication comes first and then comes the subtraction. So firstly I will multiply it. So I will write 12 as it is, minus 2 into 3, yes it is 6. Now I have closed the small bracket, I have closed the curly bracket, I have closed the square bracket. Now next step, 35 as it is, off as it is, opening of square bracket as it is, 60 as it is, minus curly bracket as it is, 7 into 7 as it is, plus. Now I will solve finally this small bracket. So 12 minus 6 is equals to what it will be? Yes, it will be 6. Now small bracket is removed, close your curly bracket, then close your square bracket. Now in next step we will solve our curly bracket, and students you can see that in curly bracket there is one multiplication and one addition. So firstly we will do multiplication and then we will do addition. So 35 of 60 minus 7 into 7. Multiplication firstly, no. So 7 into 7 is equals to 49 plus 6. Close the curly bracket, close the big bracket. Now 35 of 60 minus. Now we will finally solve this curly bracket. So 49 plus 6 is equals to how much? Yes, it is equals to 55. So I have removed here curly bracket also and directly written 55. Close the square bracket. Now finally in place of this off I will be writing multiplication sign, and bracket, big bracket, 60 minus 55 will give you what? It will give you 5. Now finally multiply 35 and 5. So what you will get? 5 into 5, 25, 5 here, 2 carry over, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. So 175 is the answer of this simplification sum. Now I hope student that this BODMAS topic is clear to you all. See, it will be more clear as I am telling you again and again. Please do written practice, then these sums will be very simple for you all, and then you will find interest in solving these questions. Once the school will reopen, no, I will be giving you all the questions once again on board. Okay, so till then you are getting time at home, so please solve these questions. And in today's assignment I have given you, firstly in today's PDF I have given you the answer key of first 4 sums which I have solved. Here I have shown you how to solve the simplification sums which I have given you yesterday in your assignment. So firstly in PDF you will find the solution of your first 4 sums. Then 2 new sums I have explained you in video, and then in today's assignment I have given you 4 new sums so that you can practice with these simplification sums. And I hope now you can solve it yourself without even taking the help of your parents. So please try to solve it yourself. Then in next video I will be giving you explanation of these questions also. Then only I will start the new topic. So now I will meet you back with new topic on Monday. So now till you will get the next video, you will get the Sunday in between. So enjoy your Sunday with your family, and then we will be meeting next in with our new topic on Monday. Okay, students, till then, take care. Meet you all. Thank you.